Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make basic dumpling dough to boil. So if you want to know how to make the dough for frying, I will do that video next, because this one is for boiling. The one for frying, you will need baking powder. This one is for cooking, right? So in this container are 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. The amount of flour that you use, it doesn't matter. If you want to use 1 cup, go ahead. It doesn't matter. So to the flour, I am adding half teaspoon salt, because you know I don't cook with a lot of salt. So I'm just gonna use my hands to mix the salt into the flour. So I have some water. I am gonna pour a little at a time. Best eating dumplings, it's best you wrap the dough into a I always fighting with this thing, trust me. It's best you wrap the dough into a cleaner, or you can cover it using a airtight cover, but I don't like to put wet towel over the dough. I don't like it. I don't like the result. Or if you have plastic bag, you can just put the dough into the plastic bag. any which one. So I like to wrap it into a cling wrap and just leave it on the countertop for about, I would say 15 minutes the most, or the least, I should say 15 minutes the least, to let it rest. In this way, when you're ready to make dumplings, like you pop off piece of the dough to roll into the ball shape and make the dumplings. I tell you, it is so moist and mild and everything nice. So it's best for you to let the dough rest after you knead it. So this is it, how to make basic dumpling dough for boiling. Thanks for watching.